Let's solve few problems based on combinations. Look at the first one. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? Right? Now, first, the number of boys, the total number of boys what we have is 5. So, of which 3 should be selected. Correct? So, 3 should be selected. So, how do you use combination? So, 5C3. Out of 5, we are selecting 3. 5C3. Same way, out of 4 girls, we need to select 3. Correct? Number of girls is equal to 4. Total number 3 are selected. Right? So what do you get? 4C3. Okay? Now a key point here is this word and. And is always multiplication. So we get 5C3 into 4C3. Alright? 5C3 is going to be 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 4C3. 4 into 3 into 1. Sorry, 4 into 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2, 3 into 2 cancels, 3 cancels, 2. So we get 10 times 4, 40. So there are 40 ways in which we can select 3 boys out of 5, 3 girls out of 4. Fair enough? Let's do the next one. See the second one. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red, 5 white and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So, what do? We'll look into the 3 cases. First, we have 6 red balls are there. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Then, we have 5 white balls and then 5 blue balls. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white. Of course, I can't write white color, no, that's all. So we have blue, red and white. Now, out of these many, whatever the balls I have, we have 5 plus 5 plus 6. So we have 16 of them. So in this case, first, if each consists of 3 balls of each color. So out of 6 we are selecting 3. That's going to be 6C3. Correct? Out of 6 we are choosing 3, selecting 3. So 6C3. Next, out of blue, same thing, 5C3. Out of white, 5C3. Correct? 5C3, 5C3, 5C3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is going to become 9. So we have 6C3. Choosing 3 out of 6 and into and 5C3 into 5C3. Alright? So we're going to have 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2. 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2. 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2. Alright? 3 into 2 is 6, 3 twice, 3 twice. So 20 into 10 into 10. This is going to give us 2000. So the number of ways in which can be selected, or the selection what we are going to do. 3 balls of each color, that's going to be 2000 ways. Alright, let's do the next one. See the question. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which only 5 players can bowl if each cricket team must have 11? Okay, team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. Alright. So if you look at this, how many ways can a team of 1 select a cricket team of 11 out of 17? So we have number, or you can say total number of players. They are 17, correct? Players in which only 5 players can bowl. That means out of the 17, so we have batsman and bowler, right? So we have 5 batsmen, we have 5 bowlers and we have 12 batsmen. Correct? Okay, 17 players in which 5 players can bowl. If each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. Exactly 4. Now what do we have? We need to select a team of 11 members, isn't it? So what we have is we need to select 11 members. So 11 should be selected. So out of this 11, what is the condition? Exactly 4 bowlers should be there. So we need to have 4 bowlers. That means there are 7 should be batsmen. Make sense? Alright. Now, how many bowlers are available? 5. So out of that 5, how many I have to select? 4. Exactly 4. Isn't it? So what we'll do, we can say that number of bowlers, this is going to be 5C4. 5C4 is the same as 5. Alright. Next, number of batsmen, 12C7. Isn't it? 12C7 is the same as 12C5. Okay, which of course 12C7 is the same as 12C5. It's 12 into 11 into 10, 9 into 8, 5 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Now 5 into 2 is 10, 4 into 3 is 12. So we get 11 into 72. So the number of batsmen what we can get is 11 into 72. It's going to give us 792. Okay. So number of batsmen is 792. Is the number of batsmen. And is into, right? And the number of bowlers, 5. There are 5 different ways we can choose. So what is the total number? 792 into 5, correct? So when we multiply, therefore, total number of ways, this is going to be 792 into 5. Priyanka, do 792 into 5. Oh, wait. 792 into 5.
792 into 5. 3,960.
3,960.
60.
We get 3,960. 3,960. So this is the total number of ways in which the cricket team can be selected. Alright, let's do the next one. See the next one. A bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. It's straight combination, isn't it? So what do we have? We have 5 black. So black we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in the red what do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So in black, out of 5, how many we are selecting? 2. So we have 5C2. Out of 5 we are selecting 2. Likewise, in the red we have 6C3. Correct? So total number of ways. Total number of ways will be 5C2 into 6C3. Because see this word and makes a lot of difference. So 5C2 5 into 4 divided by 2. 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2. 6 gets cancelled twice. So 5 into 2 is 10 into 20, that's 200. So in total, we can choose this in 200 different ways. Alright, that's the answer for this particular question. Alright, so we'll do the next one. See this particular problem. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student? Okay, so there is a condition. See, one thing in all the permutation combination questions, what you have to know is, if there is a restriction or if there is a condition, start with the condition. Okay, don't start with the general case, start with the condition. Like in this particular question, what do we have? 2 specific courses are compulsory. So start with the compulsory course. That means here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we have to select 5 courses, right? So of the 5 courses, 2 are mandatory, right? So let's keep the mandatory ones where, see, it doesn't matter whether you are going to take the first course as mandatory or the 4th course, 5th course, 3rd course, whatever it is. But you have to select, right? So when you take the 9 courses, so the 9 courses, available courses, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 available courses. See, of these 9, let's say this one and this one are mandatory. That means this one and this one, I've already chosen it to be the mandatory course, right? So they're out of the picture, because I don't have a say in that. How many are available to us now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are available. And how many blank courses I can take? 3. That is this 1, 2 and 3. So out of 7, I can choose 3 of them. That means the total possibilities or total number of ways becomes 7C3. This is 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So we get 35. So there are 35 different options in choosing the course or the programs what we can call. Fair enough? So these are certain examples of how do we use combination in solving few basic level and intermediate level problems. Alright, so in the next one we'll look into the next concept.